Welcome back to our channel. Today we're uncovering a vital health topic. Did you know that eating certain foods with eggs could damage your brain and even lead to cancer and dementia? Eggs are widely considered a superfood packed with essential nutrients. But the way you cook them and what you eat them with can make a huge difference to your health. In this video, I'll reveal 3 foods you should never eat with eggs and 3 foods that can enhance their health benefits. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family so they can benefit from this crucial information too. Problem statement. Dementia rates are soaring, affecting not only the elderly, but also younger individuals in their 20s and 30s. One of the primary causes: poor dietary habits. Every food we consume has the potential to either boost our health or harm it. Let's start with the nutrient-rich superfood, eggs. They are loaded with high-quality protein, minerals, and vitamins. However, combining eggs with the wrong foods can lead to severe health issues, including cancer and dementia. Today, we'll uncover the worst and best food pairings for eggs to help you make healthier choices. 3 worst foods to eat with eggs. 1. Flour and bread. Eating eggs with flour-based products like bread is detrimental. Eggs contain choline, a B vitamin essential for brain health, memory, and concentration. However, flour raises blood sugar levels, producing sugar toxins that attack brain cells. This internal battle can lead to cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, chronic inflammation, cancer, and dementia. Instead, opt for whole wheat bread or vegan alternatives. 2. Soy milk and tofu. Combining eggs with soy milk or tofu is a bad idea. Soy milk contains trypsin inhibitors that interfere with the absorption of nutrients from eggs. While eggs are rich in high-quality protein and essential vitamins, mixing them with soy milk prevents these nutrients from being absorbed properly. Also, avoid drinking tea with eggs as it forms tannin-protein complexes, leading to constipation and increased absorption of carcinogens. 3. Apricots. While not a common combination, eating apricots with eggs can be dangerous. Apricots contain tannins that impair protein digestion and can lead to symptoms like headaches, diarrhea, and even acute gastroenteritis. Tannins clump with proteins, inhibiting digestive enzymes and causing severe digestive issues. 3 best foods to eat with eggs. 1. Pumpkin. Eggs and pumpkin make a fantastic pairing. The protein in eggs aids nutrient absorption, while the fiber from pumpkins, along with calcium from eggs, activates the parasympathetic nervous system, reducing stress and anxiety. This combination also offers powerful antioxidants that protect the eyes and reduce the risk of degenerative eye diseases. Try recipes like pumpkin egg rolls or pumpkin egg soup. 2. Cheese. Cheese complements eggs perfectly. While eggs are a complete food, they lack calcium, which dairy products like cheese provide. The fermentation process in cheese reduces protein content, making it an ideal match for eggs. Together, they offer a balanced intake of essential nutrients. 3. Apples. Apples are rich in vitamin C and dietary fiber, which eggs lack. This combination aids digestion and helps prevent cardiovascular diseases by expelling bad cholesterol. If you experience digestive issues after eating eggs, pairing them with an apple can stimulate gastric juices, improving digestion and nutrient absorption. Cooking tips. How you cook your eggs is also crucial. Avoid eating raw eggs due to the risk of food poisoning. Frying is not ideal either. Steaming or boiling eggs preserves most of their nutrients, with soft-boiled eggs being preferable over hard-boiled ones. When frying eggs, use oils rich in omega-3, like olive oil or flaxseed oil. Conclusion. To summarize, avoid eating eggs with flour-based products, soy milk, and apricots. Instead, pair them with pumpkin, cheese, and apples for optimal health benefits. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video with your loved ones. I'll continue bringing you the best health tips and information. Stay healthy and happy. Bonus tip. For an extra health boost, try adding a sprinkle of turmeric to your eggs. Turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory properties and can enhance brain function, giving your eggs an additional health kick. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.